Good morning, students. Today I am taking the chapter the sorting hat. The sorting hat means sorting is what? That is the you must have studied in science also. There is some matter that is sorting is means making the different groups. Suppose any material is there, some things are kept there. Now if you are going in a supermarket. So you might have seen the biscuits are kept separately, grains are kept separately, dal pulses are kept separately. So that is the sorting of material. So things which are similar, which look similar, they are supposed to be kept separately in a separate groups. That is called sorting. अलग अलग चीजों को करना, एक जैसे properties के साथ अलग अलग चीजों को करना. So sorting hat. There is a hat in this story which make the different separate the students and allot them different groups, allot them into the different groups. That is a magical hat, and we are going to discuss about this extract of a novel. The name is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Harry Potter is very popular character which has been seen many times by the children in last 20 years. Okay, so and this is the novel, the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It is a novel written by J.K. Rowling. Jane Rowling, better known as J.K. Rowling, is a British novelist best known for writing the popular Harry Potter series. So he has given written the series. Seven novels are there on the basis of Harry Potter series. There are 7 novels are there, and every novel has got picturized. So the first novel was Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and it is the first movie made by the Britishers. Now let us have the discussion about this sorting hat story. Let me read it. I'm reading here. John Rowling, better known as the J.K. Rowling, is a British novelist best known for writing the popular Harry Potter series. In 1990, the idea for a story about a boy who goes to a magical school came to her. She finished writing the first novel, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, in 1995. However, as many as 12 publishers rejected Rowling's manuscript before this book was finally published in 1997. Now just imagine, it was the best sellers book in the year 1997. Almost each and every child of the age of 10 or 12, they read this novel. Okay, so that is J.K. Rowling was initially, she was a teacher. वो एक टीचर थी और उसने इस novel को लिखा. She lost the job and then she started writing this novel, but nobody was ready to publish. But finally it was published in 1997, and in 2001 the movie was made, and the first movie was made based on the first novel in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. पहली फिल्म बनी थी ये. Harry एक लड़का है, an orphaned 11-year-old boy lives with his aunt, uncle and cousin. Parents नहीं है because his parents were said to have died in a car crash. Parents मर चुके हैं. ये अपने अंकल आंटी के साथ और कजन के साथ रहता है. His auntie's family, the Dursleys, do not treat him well. उसको ठीक से रखते नहीं है, अच्छी तरह से बिहेव नहीं करते हैं. सीढ़ी के नीचे छोटे से कमरे में वो रहता है. Okay, however, on his 11th birthday, Harry is visited by a large man named Hagrid. Hagrid करके एक बहुत लंबा चौड़ा आदमी आता है उसके घर में, and who tells him that his parents James and Lily Potter were people with the magical abilities. वो बताता है कि तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा दोनों ही मैजिशियन थे, जादूगर थे करके. He also learns that he is to attend a school for witches and wizards called Hogwarts. Hogwarts करके एक स्कूल है, वहाँ आपको चलना है क्योंकि आपको वहीं पे पढ़ना है. आपके पेरेंट्स मैजिशियंस थे, वो वहीं के थे, तो आपको भी वहीं चलना है. Now, in the extract, you are about to read Harry had just arrived at Hogwarts and is about to take part in the sorting, a ceremony in which new students are sorted into one of the 4 school houses. Now, it is just like our school. When you entered in the school, we have given, in our school 4 houses are there, है ना, येलो हाउस, ग्रीन हाउस, ब्लू हाउस, रेड हाउस. तो हम सारे बच्चों को सॉर्टिंग करते हैं कि कौन सा बच्चा कौन से हाउस में जाएगा. तो सेम scene has been extract has been taken from the novel when Harry Potter reached to that school and the नया बैच आता है, नए बच्चे आते हैं स्कूल में. पुराने बच्चे पहले से होते हैं, बट जब नए बच्चे आते हैं हॉगवर्ट्स स्कूल में तो उनको भी 4 हाउसेज में सॉर्टिंग आउट किया जाता है. सबको 4 हाउस अलॉट करते हैं सारे बच्चों को. तो दिस इज अबाउट दैट extract has been taken in this book, in your textbook. So now I am reading it and explaining. Harry had never even imagined such a strange and splendid place. It was lit by thousands and thousands of candles that were floating in mid-air over 4 long tables. Where the rest of the students were sitting, these tables were laid into with glittering golden plates and goblets. At the top of the hall was another long table where the teachers were sitting. तो हैरी पॉटर जब वो स्कूल पहुंचता है तो क्या होता है कि he just entered in that huge hall and that was a splendid, मतलब इतना खूबसूरत, very impressive place, and it was lit with thousands of candles that were floating in mid-air. मतलब सारा जादू, क्योंकि it was a magic school, तो वहां पे सारे कैंडल्स हवा में लटके हुए दिखेंगे इनको. Where the rest of the students were sitting, नीचे पुराने बच्चे सारे बैठे हुए हैं एंड नए बच्चे उसमें एंटर करते हैं. हैरी पॉटर वाज the part of the group of new students, and then over 4 long tables, and where the rest of the students were sitting, these tables were laid with the glittering golden plates. Means उनके टेबल पे चमकते हुए गोल्डन प्लेट्स हैं. गॉबलेट्स मीन्स गॉबलेट क्या होते हैं, लंबी ग्लास, लंबी एक ग्लास होती, कप होती है, इसमें लंबे स्पेस स्टेम होते हैं, उसको खड़ा किया हुआ रहता है लॉन्ग स्टेम के साथ, जिसको पकड़ के आदमी पानी वानी पीता है ना, चाय पीता है, ड्रिंक लेता है, दैट टाइप ऑफ, इट इज कॉल्ड गॉबलेट्स. एट द टॉप ऑफ द हॉल was another long table where the teachers were sitting. Now, Professor McGonagall led the first years up here so that they came to a halt in a line facing the other students with the teachers behind them. So, the professors, he led all the first year students there. So, पहले साल जो आए हुए हैं ये हैरी पॉटर द फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट, तो उन सारे बच्चों को लेके वो हॉल में आती हैं और वहाँ पे उनके पीछे सारे टीचर्स होते हैं. The hundreds of faces staring at them looked like pale lantern and with a flickering candlelight. सारे बच्चे, क्योंकि 100 students were sitting there and they were all watching these new students डरे हुए, है ना, फ्लिकरिंग कैंडल लाइट की तरह, मतलब फ्लिकरिंग कैंडल लाइट, सारे कैंडल्स के लाइट्स फ्लिकर कर रहे हैं, मतलब हिल रहे हैं, शेक कर रहे हैं, एंड इन सब का चेहरा भी उतरा हुआ है, डरे हुए हैं. ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स व्हेन दे आर गोइंग इन द न्यू स्कूल, they all were very very quiet. Now the hundreds of faces and dotted here and there among the students, the ghost shone misty silver. चारों तरफ धुआं उड़ रहा है, ghost है, भूत घूम रहे हैं, सब हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. Mainly to avoid all the staring eyes, Harry looked upward and saw a velvet black ceiling dotted with stars. तो हैरी अब डर जाता है सबको देख के, तो चारों तरफ से नजर हटा के ही उस सीलिंग की तरफ दिखता है ऊपर. So he saw there a velvety black ceiling, black color का ceiling है, but dotted with the stars. There are all the stars are glittering over there. He heard Hermione, उसकी friend होती है वहाँ पे. He heard Hermione whisper. She is also new student. It is bewitched. बोलती है ये सब जादू है करके. Okay, all changed by the magic. So now I am reading only the first chapter, first page, and I have shared so many links. Please watch the link to understand this chapter. Fine? Okay. Thank you.